In this question, you're given that the line perpendicular to the segment joining A10 and B23 also divides the line segment in the ratio 1:n. In that case, what is the equation of the line? That means if you have a line segment joining A10 with B23, I want a line perpendicular to this line which divides AB in the ratio 1:n. So you're asked to find the equation of this line. So again, a very straightforward question. We can find the slope of AB, hence we can find the slope of this line. And this line is passing through a point which divides AB in the ratio 1:n. So you can find this point also. So once you find this point and this slope, you can get the equation of the line. So let us say this line as L. So what is the slope of AB? 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So the slope of AB is equal to 3. So what is the slope of line L? So you need to reciprocate this 3, 1 by 3, and add an extra minus sign. So the slope of this line L is minus 1 by 3. Now what is the point through which this line passes? So let us call this point as P. The point P is nothing but mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. 2 plus n by 1 plus n. 3 plus 0 by n plus 1. So I have a point, I have a slope. So you can find the equation. So y minus 3 by n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x minus n plus 2 by n plus 1. We do the cross multiplication. You get 3y minus 9 by n plus 1 is equal to minus x plus n plus 2 by n plus 1. So 3y minus 9 by n plus 1 is equal to minus x plus n plus 2 by n plus 1. So x plus 3y is equal to n plus 2 plus 9, that is n plus 11 by n plus 1. So this will be the required equation. Thank you.